Guess what? The vowels themselves can combine and turn into fancy designer shoes. Fancy! So today we're gonna see how they transform. Aren't you excited? I'm excited. And as usual for our trip, our consonant friend, O, is coming along with us. Because she's so lonely, she needs us. What's this? And this? Don't tell me you didn't memorize them. So if you don't know these yet, I'm sorry. You're not ready for this trip. You should go back to lesson 2 first. Okay? So this is O, right? And this is A. Now let's say them faster. O A O A O A O A O A O A O A O A Wa. Wa. So this is how you write Wa. Wow. It's easy, right? You just have to combine these two vowels and they just turn into a fancy designer shoes. Wow! And guess what? Now we can write wow in Korean. Wa-u. Let's try that. Wa. We learned how to write wa today. So write wa. And u. We learned it last time, right? So it's just like this one. Good job. You're starting to read Korean. You're starting to write Korean. So awesome. One designer shoe is enough? Nope, nope, nope. So let's build our own collection. Ready? What is this? How about this one? It's O-E, right? So now let's say them really faster. Where? So its name is where. So where means why. So if you're annoyed, where? Why? I mean, why do I have to do that? Where? And remember this one? And this one? So it's O-E, right? Ready? Let's combine them. Oi, 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 where? It's where. It's where. So where and where. They sound the same, right? Now look at these. Wa, where. We already have 3 designer shoes. Can you guys believe that? And we didn't even try that hard, right? Wait. Something is missing. These shoes are all kind of curvy, fancy, dramatic, but Korean vowels also have another type. It's flat designer shoes. Flat. They don't mix into new shape. They just sit side by side. Clean, simple, minimal. Now let's meet them. So here we have A, E. Combine them and we say E. So its name is E. And guess what? Egi means baby in Korean.
And now we can write baby in Korean.
So let's do it together. So E and ki. We learned it from the previous lesson. E, ki. Egi. See? You're improving day by day. So if you have a boyfriend or girlfriend, you can just call them like Egya. And this one is ya, e. Combine them and they turn into ye. Yegi. It means a talk in English. So 얘기하자. That means let's have a talk. Alright, next one. This one is eh. It's like Japanese cute sound. Like eh. Sorry, I just find it so cute. And this one is ya, as we learned last time, and e. So combine them as they turn into a fancy shoe. We call it yeah. Ye means yes in Korean, formal. So, did you watch the lesson 2 video? And you say, yeah, I watched the video. Yeah. Good. Here's something interesting. These flat shoes look simple, right? We also get confused between them. Yeah. Because they sound almost the same in real life. So when we don't know which one it is, we ask like yo iya, o iya, like this. Like for example, hi, my name is Park Egi. And it can be this Egi and this Egi, right? So we go like, so how do you spell your name? Oya, aya. Like this. So don't stress about it. Just recognize them. That's enough for now. Okay? Guys, U saw everything and said, excuse me, I want a designer makeover too. Let's help it out. So we have U and O. Wow. So when we surprise our friends, we go like whoa, right? Whoa. And next one, we have U, and this one is E. So U plus E. Ue. Say them faster. So ue. Its name is where. They all sound similar, right? Where. And next one, we have U and E. So say them faster. We go we. It's we. We means up. Look up. 위에봐. Look up. So you can remember it like this. We're always going up. We. And now the final boss. We know this one. Remember? This is like banana peel, right? U plus E. Combine them. This one is special. It can have multiple pronunciations. For now, let's just say 의. That is its original name. I know a lot of Korean learners are struggling with the pronunciation. 의자, which means chair in Korean. But you just gotta say it faster. Like 의자. Okay? And we're gonna come back to it later, so don't stress about it, okay? Now look at what you built. This is not random anymore, right? This is a system. And now we know curved designer shoes. 와, 왜, wo, we, and flat designer shoes. You just had to memorize basic vowels. And you just discovered the pattern. Well done! You gotta pat yourself like that. And now what you have to do is keep practicing, okay? Keep practicing and memorizing them. And I made a cheat sheet that you can use for your practice. It's gonna help you memorize them really faster, so don't forget to download them. Oh my god, something weird just happened. The consonants, they saw everything and got jealous. They said, wait, why do vowels get all the cool shoes? Why not us? So I guess that's what we're gonna do in the next lesson.